Amazon Attribution makes it possible for certain sellers to track what happens to every user they send to the platform. But Amazon Attribution isn't just a URL tracking tool. It has several key features marketers will want to leverage. Hi, I'm Callie from the International Institute of Digital Marketing. Let's look at how to use Amazon Attribution for ad campaigns. Full Funnel Amazon Analytics. Amazon Attribution significantly increases the number of sales funnel data brands have access to. You're not just limited to conversion data. Instead, Amazon lifts the curtain on how customers interact with your product on their platform, providing metrics like clicks, detailed page views, and how many times customers add your product to their basket. On-demand Amazon conversion metrics. You can see campaign performance as and when it happens. Real-time reporting means marketers can optimize their marketing campaigns faster than ever before. Customer insights. Because of the wealth of metrics Amazon Attributes provides, marketers can understand how the users they send to their store behave once they get there. Do they add the product to their basket as soon as they land on a page? Do they find a different product they prefer? And do they not buy anything at all? Amazon Attribution lets you answer all those questions and more. Separate tracking for each advertising channel. Amazon Attribution lets marketers create different tags for every marketing channel. Facebook ads, Google AdWords, blog posts, social media posts, it doesn't matter. You can make hundreds of tags so you always have granular detail on the performance of every channel. For more information, visit www.thedigitalmarketinginstitute.org.